Now let's look at compassionate understanding and cultural humility. Since all humans live by their cultural understandings of self and others that they learned growing up, we can learn new, respectful ways of interacting with others from diverse cultures. I approach learning about other cultures as a lifelong learning process that involves ongoing self-reflection, culturally minded communication with others to understand their ways of doing and thinking. The term cultural competence has been used to describe this process, but there's different approaches to cultural competence. My approach to cultural competence does not mean competence as an all-knowing state of achievement, an endpoint of mastery that a person can attain through education and training, but rather an understanding that no one can know or completely understand another person's experience. What we can do, however, is continually work at understanding through practice of respectful cultural inquiry through dialogue. And that's what I call culture-minded communication. The process starts with practicing the assumption and orientation of ongoing tentativeness, or also can be called making peace with not knowing. Cultural humility, then, is at the core of this respectful process of learning about self and others, the outcome of which can be the development of personal flexibility and humility enough to assess anew the cultural dimensions of the experiences of each person with whom we interact, and the comfort to say when we do not know, and then actively search for resources to enable better understanding, to achieve mutual goals, or at least to work for mutual goals.